In case you are seeing me for the first time, I am the Deputy Jesus. You can call me Professor Black and White, the perpendicular bisector. If you can remember, last year I brought to you what happened in Oka Road during the Biafran War. This time around, I'm here in Asaba, Obo Osawe. This is King's Road, Umuaji, where this memory shows the commissary of what happened in 1967, October 19. You can see the names of people here, showing that the Biafran War is a reality, not a fiction. The people that were massacred, the names that are here, you can see for yourself. So when we tell you the history of who we are not just bragging online. We go to the places to bring the memory closer to you. And to follow me, I will show you whatever has transpired throughout the Biafran War. Till I come your way once again, I remain Professor Black and White, of perpendicular bisector. I'm out of here, Joe.